Good morning, students. I am Dr. Ritika, the faculty of CSC department, as an associate professor in St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management. Today, I am going to deliver the lecture on the subject of e-commerce, and today we will cover the topic of online business designing, developing, and deploying the system. So, in this topic, we will cover all the designing, deploying, development of the system during the online business. So, firstly, identifying the product, service, and the customer. To keep the following points in mind in order to choose well, it is crowded market, so it helps to go, but not so that it is not sufficient demand. To consider the price of the product item that are very low and make it difficult for you to get return, but also are difficult for peoples to purchase high value items without seeing them first. It is availability of the product and convenience can help a customer decide whether to shop online or offline. Do consideration the incidental cost. The they depend upon the large goods that are all possess shipping challenge and drive up cost. Importantly, your enthusiasm for the product you will sell. As an entrepreneur, you will hit roadblocks and face business challenges, so it is very important about your product and do your best to sell them. Know your e-commerce customer. Some parameters to keep in mind to knowing about your e-commerce customer are: establish the demographic, that is gender, age group, education and income level. Tap social media to identify the people showing interest in your brand, offering through likes and follows. Interact with customers through feedback, suggestions, and reviews to understand the customer profile better. Choose the right e-commerce website development platform. So e-commerce platform is a software suite that help you build your e-commerce store where you make your product available and where your customer can conduct transactions. Choosing the right e-commerce platform is a vital to any online business, as it is the very foundation of the business. So ERP, CRM and some database compatibility and integration. If you already have a business and are now expanding online, you have pre-existing systems and a database. It is very important to ascertain the compatibility of the platform with your existing systems and the ability to integrate them. Scope for e-commerce website customization. Even full feature platforms like Magento come with set features which may not suit the needs of your business, or you may have requirement for additional compatibilities in your web stores. Moreover, each business has different requirements and it's important for the platform to support these website customizations. Payment gateway integration is one of the challenge faced by the e-commerce business in India, that it is the discomfort with online payments. So it is vital include traditional payment options such as cash on delivery along with regular payment options such as credits and debit card payments and some net bankings. It has now also become necessary to provide the options of linking to payment wallets. Robust backend. A good online commerce web store is supported by a robust backend for an organized and easy to use admin experience. So a high quality platform will provide several admin features such as multiple admin logins, easy changes in inventory, taking stocks of order, and so on. All are related to the as a backend of platform which is based on the backend. Mobile friendly or responsive e-commerce. Studies have shown that people are spending more and more time on the mobile phones, while some businesses do choose to build apps to cater to this growing demand. Some app development requires an investment of time and money. Now, e-commerce marketing. So, do the marketing tools that are offered by the e-commerce platforms, where some platforms offer integration with analytical tools, some social media websites, promotion tools, etc. Once you do live with the web stores, marketing will form a significant path of business growth. So, anticipated the needs for these capabilities and choose your platform accordingly. Now, third is choose the right e-commerce website hosting platform, which includes speed, where speed should have the capacity to deliver good website speed. Also depend on the internet connection speed for your server, so check that too. Also provide good speed as a vital, as not only do customers have little patience for websites that loads several slowly, but search engines also rank slow loading website poorly. Next is the uptime. So uptime is a good way to access the kind of services you will get from the host is to check recent uptime reports of other website being hosted by the providers. On the greatest attributes of e-commerce is anytime, any place availability and shopping convenience. So this is enabled by maximizing uptime. So this is a vital check. Support. What kind of support services does your host provide? Some just provides the infrastructure, while some also give managed services that help minimize troubleshooting response time and improve time. Scalability. Scalability is based on the servers that can adapt to your business needs. It means your website does not go down due to an overload in as well and optimize the cost also. Security. The e-commerce website accepts payments online, so the server must be PCDSS compliant. Means it is also important to ensure data security through secure servers. Now, fourth is to choose the right e-commerce development partner. Shopping for e-commerce technologies development partners or e-commerce vendors can be confused. So, market is chalked a block with service providers, and with each one claiming to offer the very best, it is hard to ascertain who is genius. Now, in fourth point, it includes some subparts like location. Contrary to the popular practical of outsourcing to cheaper location, it makes plenty of sense to commission e-commerce website development to a local company. So, it requires regular and deep involvement, which help to be located in the same time zone in order to speed up communication and coordination. So losing hours or even a day, so the time difference can add significantly to develop time and cost. Also, customer development. To each business has unique need and circumstances, and your e-business website and development process must be adapted to suit these needs. A vendor who takes the time to understand your goals, requirements, and hurdles and takes the time to address them in likely to deliver a website that will be more to your expectations. Approach to processes. So, e-commerce website development is a lengthy and task-intensive project with goals and hurdles that change along the way. Therefore, it is very important to partner with a vendor who follow processes that are continuously adopted and improved on the journey to suit the changing needs. Capability. Here, e-commerce development is essentially, if it is multi-channel or omni-channel, is carried out phases by phases, and the resources needed at every phase differ, especially if timelines have to be met. So, choosing an established e-commerce website development partner, it makes resources available as per need without much delay. Now, fifth is the e-commerce website testing. You can never test enough. Means upon completion of the website development or even hand in hand with it, the next vital step is e-commerce website testing. The testing checks usability, customer convenience, checks for bugs, and is vital to ensure a good shopping experience. So, testing is usually carried out in various browsers, cross platforms, and cross devices. So, website testing can be manual, automated, or combined of the both manual and automated. So, the e-commerce website testing processes are the visitor or customer follow in each step and phase usually taken by the customer on his her visit, which is started from home page to menu, search bar and results and product listing. So right of payment and checkouts and acknowledgement all are related to our visitor and customer flows. Second is the functionality. The pages, the categories, filter, user registration, shopping cart, payment options, shopping options, all features and functions offered are checking for usability. Security. Security is very important not just on the payment page where customers share sensitive information like card details, their addresses, also throughout the rest of the website. A secure website encourages trust in users also. Compatibility. Compatibility is a different browser on various platforms and across devices as mobile phones and tablets are no longer devices to be ignored when it comes to online shopping. So next is the performance and discoverability. To ensure the website load time, it is not too long, catch broken links, check the SEO ranking and search engines also. Now sixth is the effective marketing. In effective marketing, one need to have a marketing plan charted out even before launch so that as soon as you are ready to launch successfully, marketing and promotion can be rolled out. So some of the popular marketing methods used by business includes traditional methods such as flyers, newspapers, magazines and ads, email marketing, work towards building a mailing list. It encourages visitors to your website to leave their email addresses by offering something like a gift or a discount in exchange. Send out emails at periodic intervals means to keep existing as well as potential customers informed of offers, new arrivals, seasonal promotions. When used effectively, email marketing have proved to deliver great results. Some social media marketing. In social media marketing can be trapped to create recall for your brand as well as turn your followers and customers into advocated for your brand. So it is done by contests and activities, contests or activities requiring respondent to share post tags to other people, usually in exchange for a gift. Here are some example of Dove. Dove is basically a soap which is basically used for skin and hair care brand. So the Dove give the social media marketing which is used in Facebook effectively to build a brand identity that tells stories of women rather than pushing promotional posts. So Dove is the best example of social media marketing where some women stories to be shown to be given on the Facebook that is more effective for pushing the promotional post, more effective to attract the customers. Pay per click. It is also called PPC. It is different from the above methods of marketing as it required a monetary investments. So these are advertisement displayed to a targeted audience and you are the pay for them, which is based on impressions of per click on the advertisements. Well planned pay per click, that is PPC campaigns do usually yield results, but proceed continuously to understand and control your spends. Now seventh is the adapt and grow. In adapt and grow, the e-commerce has evolved from websites to multi-channels and then omni-channels. In the recent past, never features like virtual reality or augmented reality or location-based alerts have changed the levels of personalization and convenience offered. The brands that have managed to upgrade quickly and enjoyed continued success to upgrade your platform regularly to keep your website running smoothly and offers up-to-date features. Periodically, it checks for security updates and implement them. So the track customer browsers habits, purchase patterns, cart abandonments, and other user behavior to tweak your offering and presentation accordingly. So student, before going to finish your slides, we are going to just take and review what we have covered in our slide. The slide was in online business design, development and deploy the theme. In this slide we have covered the identify the product, services and the customer. So we can follow some few points in our mind before further move, which is based on their price of the product, what are the cost, how much convenient for the customer, how much important, which are related to their selling products also, and know your e-commerce customer. Use here we have done some parameters like some demographic to identify people showing interest, interact with the customer with their feedback, suggestions and reviews, and choosing the right e-commerce website on the development platform. We have covered e-commerce platform which help to build e-commerce stores where you make your products available and where your customer can conduct transactions also. In this we have covered some ERP, CRM and database compatibility and integration, which are very helpful for our business to expand the business or some pre-existing systems and their database. And in scope of e-business website customization we have covered in our slide. Payment gateway integration we have covered in our slide also. Then robust backends, mobile friendly, or you can say responsive e-commerce, or you can say some user friendly in nature, which spend more and more time on the mobile phone. So mobile is the way by which they can frequently follow the e-commerce marketing. Now e-commerce marketing, same next tool we have covered in our slide also, or you can say web store also. Next is choosing the right e-commerce website hosting platform, which is based on speed, uptime, support, scalability, security. And next point we have covered, choose the right e-commerce development partner. We have choose our proper partner. In this step we have covered some locations, customer development, approaches to processes, capability, and e-commerce website testing. You can never test enough. In this we have check some testing checks to be used to checking for bugs, their vital good shopping experience, which carries their various browsers cross platform across devices also. So the e-commerce website checks the visitor or customer flow, the functionalities, security, compatibility, performance and discoverability. And effective marketing, we have covered the 6th step of our, which includes some traditional methods like email marketing, some social media marketing, PPC, that is pay per click, we have covered in it. And last is the adapt and the grow, that is the 7th method by which the brand has managed upgrading quickly and enjoy continuous success. So upgrading your platform, that keep in mind for running smoothly and offer up-to-date features also. So to track the customer browsing habits, purchasing patterns, and other behavior to be tracked, which gives the offering and presentation accordingly. So it is all about our online business development, deployment, designing the system. So student, thank you for your kind attention. Thank you. Thanks a lot, student.